What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to DC Unplugged, and today we have right in front of us here this universal helmet mirror. This is actually sent to us by Pidzoom, which has actually made an affiliate link with this. So yes, this has an affiliate program with it, and I'll put in somewhere up here somewhere the link if you guys do wish to purchase this. But yeah, I thought I'd just push that out of the way, make sure everyone's aware that yes, it is an affiliate program. But I wouldn't go and review something, guys, that if I didn't think was actually worth actually bringing to you guys. So for me, I found even with just testing this, so yes, before this video I have actually tested this, but I've left everything in the box as it should be. So just so then that way you guys get to have a look at it as well. But there are some bits and pieces which you guys will see that I've already opened up. So I did get a little bit excited because I found this actually really cool, and it was actually something that I didn't think of until they approached me and said, hey, would you like to review one of our mirrors? And I was just like, mirrors? I'm like, I don't, what? And then I seen what they were talking about, and I was just like, you know what, that is actually genius. So let's unbox the genius within. She made the box visually really nice. So very good instructions. Considering there's a lot of Chinese stuff that gets around, this is very easy to read. There's no weird English to Chinese translation stuff. So they've actually gone above and beyond to make sure that this is perfect. So I'll get into this part later on in the video, but for now, what we have down here is what you get in the box, which is actually pretty cool. They've really gone out of their way to make sure that this is well presented. Everything's got its own little spot. You can see here, we'll get to that in just a minute. I have actually pre-installed this just to make this review a little bit easier. Mirrors, you've actually got two kinds that come in the box. We'll go into that a little bit later in the video. Got all little different sized arms here, little amenities. You even get your tools, so you don't worry about if you don't have tools at home, you do get them supplied with you to set this all up. Yeah, double-sided ticker tape using 3M, which is really good to see. Using 3M, which is great to see. And yeah, obviously 3M stuff works really well. I've used it in so many applications, both scooter and car stuff, and I can't recommend that stuff enough, especially with GoPros and stuff. So if you guys have seen the video of me doing a wheelie and I've mounted the camera underneath the scooter, that was held in by 3M. So definitely using good quality stuff in here. Now, speaking of which, got two mirrors. One is a convex mirror, so I'll see if this is going to work. You guys can see the camera in the background, so you can see there. That's just convex, so it is lightweight and a little bit smaller than the other mirror, but it gives you a broader view, kind of like this lens that I'm using now, which is a wide angle camera. And then you've got the standard one like this, which just gives you a really close-up look. Really depends on what you would like on your helmet, so which is pretty easy. You can just switch out them very easily, which again we'll get into that just in a minute. So first of all, installation super easy, guys. Like I said, it uses 3M stuff. I have actually got mine mounted on my helmet I've been wearing for years. If you guys have been any part of the channel, you guys know this helmet very well. I've used this in so many videos, but I have it mounted as per their instructions. It is mounted on the top part. And speaking of installation, guys, there you can see it just there. I've mounted mine exactly as per their instructions. Again, the instructions are super easy to read and pretty straightforward. So even if you don't have very good understanding, there's pictures there, and the instructions are super easy to understand, and yeah, you get the idea. The reason why this is so good is I don't have to snap my neck every 5 seconds to look behind me to see where my missus is, because sometimes people have accidents. You don't hear it because you've got wind in your ears, or you've got headphones in, or if you're using those intercom things, you're not going to be able to hear it. So to be able to have something here, see directly behind you what's going on, is awesome, and I will show you footage of how good that works in further on in the video. It is so good. So as you can see here, guys, this is one that I've already set up, but I will show you how to put it together. It is really easy. So just using as this example, we've got our medium, and just have a look at this, guys. Look at the quality of this stuff. Like they have gone above and beyond. Like you don't have to make the edges like concave like that to make it look cool. Like you don't have to, but they did, and it just looks really, really nice. And this isn't like cheap plastic, it's actually quite nice plastic. So anyway, starting with this, we're going to use a mount setup just for your own knowledge. They also give you a little, pretty much the only thing you really need is a little star head screwdriver, but pretty much you can see here, you've just got a little cone shape. You literally just clip it over like so, nice and simple like that. And then to tighten it, you just grab your little thing and your little star head and you just screw it, tighten it up. And this will also help you adjust it as well. So this will start to get stiff, as you can see here, a little bit loose. So if you want more, just tighten it more, and that will eventually get stiffer and stiffer before it locks it in place. I actually kind of like it to stay a little bit loose, just in case you do hit it. This is proper mirrors in this, so you don't want to snap it on something like a tree branch going by or something like that. So if you leave a little bit of play in it, so then that way if you accidentally do hit it, it gives it a bit of give and you can just quickly adjust it. That's pretty much the end part. So if you're mounting that to like a, you know, somewhere on your helmet, but just for example purposes only. And then we have the end part. So we're going to use this mirror here. Another really cool feature about the mirror that I just remembered to explain to you guys. So you've obviously got the mirror itself, and then on the back here, that's actually reflective. So hopefully that comes up on the camera. You can kind of see it reflecting off the roof of my lights above me. That there is reflective. So it's also a really good safety feature, and all of it's nice, and there's no sharp edges on it at all. It's all, so if you do have a crash and it ends up, you know, going in your face, I'm okay because I'm 4 eyes. But for those that aren't visually impaired like myself, great thing is that is going to protect your eyes, which is awesome. They have thought of literally everything, which is great, and you don't have to do anything apart from love it. So you can see here, you just unscrew it, and it's got that same little thing in there. We're just going to place our mirror inside, again clipping in. Oops, hang on, almost made a mistake. We've got to put that on first. Click it into place like so, and then we just literally grab this, slide it, and screw it on. Get it nice and tight, and then this can start getting tightened and it'll stop moving once we get it into the exact position that we want it. But that is pretty much it, guys. It is that simple to set up this. It is so good and such good quality. Like, look at that thing, it's so cool. So for me, I prefer the convex one, so I have a bit more of a view surrounding behind me. So let's have a look what it looks like on my helmet. Nice and easy. This does have a quick release setup, so really, really easy to use. It's literally just like a little pin. You push it down, you can slide it out. So as you can see here, bring the helmet up. That's a little mount. That's the mount it mounts into, and you literally just click it into place like so. You've got the arm now ready and installed on your helmet, ready to rock and roll. Next step, grabbing our little mirror, and simple as tightening up that clip. And we're pretty much ready to go now. Just got to adjust the mirror. So it's as simple as to get it off and remove, especially if you're using the quick release, quick release attachment for it. You literally can just get this all set up in a matter of seconds, tighten it right up so then that way you have a little bit of slack there. And if you're like myself and you're a little bit lazy, which sometimes I am, you can just push this little button down and just slide it out. You can take it off and you don't have to worry about this being in your backpack, and you can just go back to having a normal helmet, unless you're doing hot boy things, so you can take that off. But super simple, guys. So I reckon there's enough me talking and showing you how to install it and all that sorts of nonsense. Let's show you what it looks like when you're actually using it in real time. Oh guys, this is actually really cool. I've got like I've got the camera set up so that way you guys, you can pretty much see what I can see. And for riding, this is actually amazing. So I can see what's in front of me and see my partner behind me, because we always go on long rides, and it is amazing to be able to not have to swivel my head around and snap neck to see, then make sure she hasn't fallen off or anything like that. She's still very well over my shoulder there, as you guys can see. She's steadily. So this is a fantastic product for anyone that's actually rides a lot in groups or family rides, or just want to check on your mates as well, because that is totally sick. But yeah, this is an absolute fantastic product for people that are literally just wanting to make sure they're checking up on their family stuff. So Annalise is in front of me right now, and if I do a quick overtake, then you can see it behind me. Very, very cool. Super simple, really easy, and very safe to use. Also, just a quick mention as well, thank you so much to Pidzoom for actually sponsoring this video as well. As well as actually sending me out the product for review. Thank you so much, guys at Pidzoom, especially the person that I've been speaking to. You know who you are. Thank you so much for sending this out and actually making something like this for the e-scooter and bike community. This is a great product. There you go, guys. That is the Pidzoom Universal mirror mount. It is a universal mirror. So easy to use, so easy to set up, and it works great, especially if you, like I said, if you're riding in groups and stuff like that. This thing is game changer, or just people just in general coming up behind you, push bike, whatever that might be. Whatever the case is, this thing is great just to be able to have an eyes behind you. Just like in the car, you got mirrors, bikes, you got mirrors, and why not have it on your e-scooter for this channel or your e-bike or whatnot? That is great. And an easy way to get around without having anything over your bars if you don't like things being cluttered on your bars and whatnot. Like myself, I prefer things to keep things simple, and put it on my helmet and then just quickly detach it off there is so good. Now, if this product is for you guys, it is. I have an affiliate link down in the description. I'll put a little banner up there as well if you like. It gives you a little bit of a discount, and obviously also helps out the channel as well, guys. So even if you don't want to use it, you can just buy it, but definitely gives you a bit of a discount and also helps out the channel as well. Anything gets put into any purchases will pretty much go straight back into camera stuff anyway, so helping the channel move along. So, but yeah, all of that aside, guys, I hope you enjoyed the review video of this Pidzoom product, and I think it is really, really good, and considering how cheap it is, it's actually really, really good. Like, it is a great little product, and I highly recommend it. Anyway, guys, that is all for today. Ride safe out there, guys. Stay upright, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.